So, Jordan's not going to be in this video because she's being a poop head.
No.
You poop-faced mermaid. And my bed doesn't have a mattress on the top. Because it's stupid.
You know, YOLO.
I don't have a mattress on my bunk bed because, you know, YOLO. Anyways.
I wonder what it would feel like to just lay on this blanket up there.
I've done that before. Yeah, I slept on the top of the bed with no mattress in it. Because, you know, YOLO. And I think I broke myself.
I'm gonna go do it.
You're gonna go lay on the top?
No. I don't want to die.
Yeah, but my back, like, fell off because I slept up there. And then...
YOLO.
And then I turned into a unicorn. But then I turned into a chicken later. I turned into a chicken every night at midnight. Well,
I thought you were afraid of chicken.
Oh my gosh!
And spoons.
Chickens and spoons. They're just... What? I had a dream one time that, like, a chicken came after me with a spoon. It is a pretty bad dream. Because...
Eating chicken with a spoon.
Ew, oh my gosh! Well, the eating chicken part isn't that bad. But,
Eating a live chicken with a spoon.
I don't like chickens since,
Killing a chicken with a spoon, because, you know, YOLO.
Because one ate somebody that was very close to me, my, teacher. A chicken ate her.
No, they didn't.
I had a field trip. We were in, like, the chicken part, and I was like, oh, look at that cow. There was, like, a cow randomly in this chicken pen, but, I was like, oh, I don't remember what her name was, but she was very dear to me. I was like, oh, you, look at that cow, and I, like, turned and looked at it, and then I turned around, and she was gone, and I was like, ah! And then the chickens surrounded me, and I was like...
You're next.
Yeah, they, like, were staring at me with their beady little eyes. And, I'm pretty sure they would have eaten me if I hadn't screamed and ran. Yeah, so that's why I'm afraid of chickens. And spoons, they're just spoons. They're just not right. Like,
pickle forks are not right.
Have you ever tried to, like, stab something with a spoon? It really doesn't work.
Then shouldn't you be afraid of knives and forks?
No, because sometimes you need to stab stuff.
I'm gonna buy you a spoon for your birthday.
If you buy me a spoon for my birthday,
actually, I'm gonna
eat your cat.
I don't have a cat. I'm gonna buy you this thing that my aunt's store sells. It's like, it has a spoon on one end, and then on the other end it has a fork and a knife.
Then I'm gonna break it in half.
Like, made together.
I'm gonna break it in half.
And I'll super glue it back together.
I will break it in half again.
Sweetheart, I, like, live at your house. I'm gonna just super glue it together.
And I'll
buy you 40.
I will throw away the spoon part.
I'll buy you every single one of them until they are out of stock.
Well,
because, you know, YOLO.
Anyway.
Oh my god, there's a pillow pet.
Oh, if I'm afraid of spoons, does that mean, like, spooning? I can't do that.
Spoon phobia.
I have spoon phobia.
Spoon to
Silly spoons. Ow!